2026 Suzuki DR-Z4S, the dual-sport legend reborn. The 2026 Suzuki DR-Z4S marks the long-awaited modern return of Suzuki's legendary dual-sport platform. Built as the true successor to the famous DR-Z400S, the new DR-Z4S keeps the same rugged spirit but adds major upgrades in performance, technology, and off-road capability. It's lighter, sharper, smarter, and finally ready for modern emissions and rider expectations. With a U.S. MSRP starting at $8,999, Suzuki positions it as a serious lightweight adventure and trail machine for riders who want both road legality and true dirt capability. SuzukiCycles.com. Engine and performance. Power comes from a heavily revised 398 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder DOHC engine, featuring ride-by-wire throttle, fuel injection, dual spark plugs, titanium intake valves, and sodium-filled exhaust valves. Suzuki kept the trusted DR-Z formula but modernized nearly everything inside. The engine produces around 37.5 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute and 37 Nm of torque at 6,500 revolutions per minute, paired with a 5-speed transmission and chain final drive. While peak power is slightly lower than some rivals, the focus is on smooth low-end torque, strong trail performance, and dependable real-world usability. SuzukiCycles.com. Chassis and off-road capability. The DR-Z4S gets a completely redesigned steel twin-spar frame, improving rigidity and handling both on-road and off-road. Suzuki pairs this with fully adjustable KYB suspension, including long-travel front forks and a rear monoshock built for serious trail work. Its 151 kg ready-to-ride weight, slim bodywork, and narrow seat make it highly manageable for technical terrain. The tall 920 mm seat height and upright ergonomics clearly show that this bike is designed for real dual-sport riding rather than soft adventure touring. Bennett's Bike Social Membership. Technology and rider aids. One of the biggest improvements is Suzuki's SRS, Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. The DR-Z4S now includes selectable ride modes, adjustable traction control, and something especially useful for off-road riders, switchable ABS, including full rear and even full front and rear ABS deactivation depending on riding conditions. Suzuki also adds full LED lighting and a modern digital display, bringing the DR-Z platform into the modern era without making it overly complicated. It remains simple, but now much smarter. Dirt Bike Magazine. Fuel range and practicality. The bike uses an 8.7-liter fuel tank, which may sound small, but the improved fuel efficiency helps stretch range for trail adventures and commuting alike. The long flat seat, lightweight design, and simple maintenance philosophy make it ideal for riders who want a machine they can actually use hard without constant worry. It's not a highway tourer, it's a true lightweight dual sport meant for trails, backroads, and everyday freedom. Zig wheels. Market position. The 2026 DR-Z4S competes against machines like the KTM 390 Enduro R, Honda CRF 300L, and Kawasaki KLX 300, but Suzuki brings something unique: old-school toughness combined with just enough modern electronics. For many riders, this is exactly what they wanted: a proper DR-Z comeback without losing the bike's original identity. Final verdict. The 2026 Suzuki DR-Z4S is not trying to be a luxury ADV bike or a race machine. It's built to be simple, durable, and genuinely fun on dirt and pavement alike. Suzuki has successfully modernized a legend without ruining what made it special. For riders who want a true dual-sport motorcycle with proven reliability and serious trail capability, the DR-Z4S may be one of the best bikes in the entire lightweight adventure segment.